Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to look at Office EDC. That's everyday carry, and this is a bag that I take around with me in my rucksack and my laptop wherever I go to work, whether it's in the studio, whether it's at client sites, everything. This is my go-to travel bag. So I did one on a camera bag, and that'll be a link up there somewhere, but this is my office one, and for a very good reason. Now, this isn't the cheapest bag out. This is an alpaca, and I did have cheaper ones originally. I originally bought this one I think, but it didn't fit my notepad in and I wasn't quite satisfied with it, so I was a bit yeah. And then I got the other one of it as well, and they just don't cut it. This cuts it, and that's what's quite neat about this. So first off, on the outside, I've put my own little carabiner into there that I liked. It's KeyUnity. I tend to use their stuff quite a lot. I like it. It works really well, and it looks nice. So we have an outside pocket on the back. Don't use it. We have a front pocket. Don't use it. Have a zipper pocket. Do use it. Right. In here, I only keep two things. One is my business card, so that when I'm out and about, people can see us, and some emergency cash, which used to be £10 and now is £5 because I'd obviously spent some and I've not replaced it, which is not the most useful thing. So I'll just leave those out for now. Oh, I'll tell you what I haven't done. Weight. The weight of this, because that's quite important. So when I did the camera bag one, I think it was 204 grams, something like that. This one is 410, and I've got that tied up. Let's just do that. 415 grams. So quite a bit heavier, but there's a reason for that. And it's also, I'm not taking it and lugging it around everywhere. So emergency cash and business card, which is great, into there. And then if we unzip into here, we have multiple things. So again, I've got a Moleskine notebook in black. And like I said in the other video, put some contact numbers in here in case you lose your phone. God, I could be a magician. Put some contact numbers in here in case you lose your phone. It's just, yeah, it's one of those things. You're out and about, you lose your phone, I wouldn't know who to call. So into there, as I said before as well, I've put these little zipper pulls on all my stuff so I can make it really easy to get out. And this is a MR.GREEN nail clipper because, yeah, I like to keep my nails trim, and if I get jaggedy bits, they annoy me and I tend to bite them and then I ruin my nails. So I've got this so that I can just take it around with me, and it's really, really compact, and I love it. And then the other pocket, I've got this. And this is the Fisher Space Pen. And I had one of these years ago before I realised what they were. Yeah, it's disappeared. I obviously chucked it because it got so old. But this pen is beautiful to write with. It's really compact. It's a delight. And it was a NASA pen, I think they had designed by, I don't want to say who, Fisher, that was it. I just thought I'd check that before I upset someone. But yeah, it's a Fisher pen that they designed to write in space, so it writes at all angles and everything else. And it's my favourite pen. And of course I went for black for this kit, because we've gone for a blackout vibe apart from the silver bit there. So in this side, I've got a little special thing in this pouch, which is a multi-USB adapter kit. So we have a USB-A to USB-C adapter into there, because we have a USB-C cable that just pops out, and I can just put that on and convert it to A if I need to. I have a lightning adapter, one in that end that I can't get out at this present second. Let's just put that into there. Have that into there, which is great. I've also got, and this is partly the reason for it, because I sometimes have kit that is micro USB, and that's in there as well. And then I've got a SIM card ejector, which I don't really use, but you never know, could come in useful. So those are all into that, and it just folds away beautifully. I do have a separate USB-C to USB-C cable as well, which is the 240 watt 40 gig 8K. And I keep that in there in case I forget to bring a cable for an external hard drive. So I always edit on external hard drives and they just Velcro onto the back, but sometimes, you never know, I might forget it and I want that for the speed. Can't rely on this. This is great for charging, but that's it. In the front little bit here, I've got a USB memory stick, and it's the SanDisk one, so I can do USB-C or I can do USB-A, just flipping it around, which is great. Again, key pull onto there, which is nice. I got a fidget toy. So I like this, a 3D printed one. I think I had it off Etsy. They're just magnets round and stuff like that. I love fidget toys, and it's one of those things that I've always got a fidget toy with me, no matter where I go. It's just, they're ace. I don't think I could live without a fidget toy now. In here we have a true utility, I think I want to say, and it's they're multi-tool. So we've got pliers into there. We've got a bottle opener and a posi on the end there, Phillips. We've got its own carabiner if you want into there, but I have just stuck a key pull onto it. And then we've got sawing blade. We've got a knife into there as well. So we've got options, which is quite nice. And let's just drop that in. And that's it. So that's into there. Then in the back compartment, I've got a little USB-C light, and this is a Belka. It's flat, which I quite like, especially for this kit. And then we've got gradient down to it's off. It's not the most brightest, but it's a little torch. It's quite useful. I have the obligatory plasters because, again, I'm just prone to cutting for myself. Did I say I use this for office? I have a Rennie because you never know. Lens wipes, which again are really for my glasses. We have a Think Tank whip because I just always need that. And I have some paracetamol because I'm always getting that. And then the only other thing I've just dumped down there is a little carabiner, a little black one, because I had it spare and I thought you never know when you might need a carabiner, and that is everything that's in this kit. That's your lot. That's it. Nice. So pretty much everything that I need when I'm at work at some point. And the worst thing about these kits is that you forget what you've got in them sometimes, so it's nice to go through them. If there's anything you can think of that I'm missing in this, let me know. I'll have a look and maybe put it into here, because actually I've still got a bit of space into this, and weight isn't really a big issue. I'm carrying a blooming 17-inch laptop around with me. It's not a big issue in the slightest. So yeah, let me know. You can always add something else into here. And what's your favourite thing out of this? Mine is probably the pen. I love pens. They're just, yeah, something about them. And that's for me. I just don't get to spend enough time writing anymore. Go figure. Anyway, see you on the next one.